In recent years, YouTube automation has exploded as a trend, where creators are earning thousands of dollars by producing videos without ever showing their faces. But how is this possible? The answer lies in artificial intelligence. In this video, we'll uncover how AI tools are revolutionizing content creation and enabling people to profit from YouTube automation. Imagine a world where you don't have to brainstorm video ideas, write lengthy scripts, or even appear in front of a camera. That world is already here, thanks to advancements in AI. Content creators are automating their entire video production process, from idea generation to scripting and even video creation. And they're cashing in big time. In the next few minutes, we'll break down exactly how YouTube automation works, the tools used, and how people are generating thousands of dollars from it. So, what exactly is YouTube automation? It's the process of using software and AI tools to automate parts of video production, allowing creators to make content faster, easier, and more efficiently. The idea behind automation is simple. The less human input required, the more videos you can produce, which means more chances to grow your channel and maximize revenue. Here's how it typically works. A creator selects a niche. Maybe it's finance, tech, gaming, or even lifestyle. Instead of appearing on camera, they use AI tools to write the script, generate a voiceover, and even create the visuals for the video. Faceless channels, as they're known, are one of the most popular uses of YouTube automation. These channels don't require the creator to ever appear on screen. All the work is done behind the scenes, but the results are no less impressive. There are many AI tools that help streamline this process. One of the most important ones is AI-driven script generators like ChatGPT. These tools can create entire scripts based on a topic in just minutes, allowing creators to quickly move from one idea to the next. The scripts can be as detailed as needed, whether it's for a simple video, essay, or a complex instructional video. The faster you generate scripts, the quicker you can upload content. Next, there's AI-powered voiceover software, such as Descript or Synthesia. These tools take the generated scripts and turn them into professional-sounding voiceovers without the need for a microphone or a recording studio. You simply input your text, choose the type of voice, and within minutes, you have a full narration ready for your video. But what about the visuals? That's where AI-based video creation tools like Pictory and InVideo come in. These tools allow creators to automatically match their script to relevant stock footage, images, or even animations. You don't need a film crew or expensive equipment. The AI analyzes the script and suggests visuals that will fit the content. This makes the whole process faster and more efficient. Now, let's talk about how people are earning thousands of dollars with this method. The real magic of YouTube automation lies in the ability to upload videos frequently. YouTube's algorithm tends to favor channels that post consistent content, which leads to more views, more subscribers, and eventually more ad revenue. Once a channel meets YouTube's monetization requirements, typically 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, creators can start earning from ads that play before and during their videos. But that's just one revenue stream. Many creators also use affiliate marketing to maximize their earnings. For example, in a video reviewing tech products, the creator can include affiliate links in the description. Every time a viewer makes a purchase using those links, the creator gets a commission. With thousands of views, these affiliate links can bring in a significant amount of money. Sponsorships are another lucrative option. As a channel grows, brands take notice. Companies are willing to pay creators to mention their products in videos, or even create dedicated content around a specific service or item. With YouTube automation, creators can produce videos at scale and attract more sponsorship opportunities, increasing their income without increasing their workload. One of the most significant advantages of YouTube automation is that it allows creators to manage multiple channels at the same time. Imagine running a fitness channel, a finance channel, and a tech channel, all without having to create content manually for each one. By automating the process, creators can run several niche channels, each generating ad revenue, affiliate commissions, and sponsorships. This is how many creators are earning thousands, and in some cases, tens of thousands of dollars every month. However, while YouTube automation has many benefits, it's not without challenges. One of the biggest risks is relying too much on automation and compromising video quality. Viewers can tell when content feels too generic or robotic, which can lead to lower engagement. The competition is also increasing as more people discover this trend, meaning it's crucial to maintain a balance between automation and creativity. In conclusion, AI is reshaping the way content is created and consumed. It's giving creators the ability to scale their operations and maximize their earnings, all while reducing the amount of time and effort involved. Whether you're just starting out on YouTube or looking to grow your channel, YouTube automation could be the key to your success. The future of content creation is here. Are you ready to take advantage of it? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a tip on how to grow your YouTube channel using AI and the latest trends.